Guys, in this day and age, how many of you can imagine your life without gadgets? They've become such an important part of our lives that we cannot survive without them. And at Gadget Hub, we try and bring you the most interesting gadgets available in the market. In today's video, we have something special which can give your boring bicycle an instant makeover. We also have the most unique ball, which is actually a super smart gadget. How about a query-looking smart voice-controlled assistant to make your life simpler? Sounds exciting? But before we begin our journey, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Now sit back, relax, and let's get started. Smart Halo. Our very first gadget for today is called Smart Halo, and this gadget is specially made for people who use bicycles on a daily basis. Guys, bicycles are a great medium of transport, especially if you consider the fact that they run without fuel, but not many people prefer them since they don't look very stylish and hardly have any enhancements or exciting features, which make them interesting. But honestly, they're the most eco-friendly vehicles we can have on our roads. So, how about we make our bicycles more appealing and high-tech? Smart Halo can help you do just that. This is a small digital display device which can be attached to any bicycle's handle to transform it from a boring bike to a cool one. This gadget can be connected to your smartphone, and the next time you need help with directions to get somewhere on your bike, you can just set the destination on your smartphone app, and Smart Halo will help you get there without you having to look at your phone again. It updates you about the distance, turns, roundabouts, and everything else. Not only that, it even updates you regarding the messages, calls, and other notifications on your smartphone. It often happens that due to noisy traffic around us, we miss incoming calls or messages, which might be important. In situations like these, this gadget could prove to be very useful. Bakey Y6 Smart Bracelet. Our next gadget is a smart band called Bakey Y6 Smart Bracelet. There are many brands of smart bands available in the market, but I'm sure none of them match this gadget. There's one feature in particular that makes this gadget unique. What am I talking about? You will know soon. Now, when you first look at this bracelet, it might look like any other band available in the market. But, like I said, this product is special. The screen of this bracelet, which can also call the digital dial, is detachable, and along with acting as a digital screen, it can also be used as a Bluetooth earpiece. Now that's what I call a truly smart bracelet. So if you need to answer calls or wish to listen to music on the go, you simply need to detach the earpiece from the band, attach to your ear, and you will be good to go. You can attend calls or listen to music whenever you want. Once you're done, you can attach it back to your smart bracelet very easily. Along with this, the band offers you all the basic features of a regular smart bracelet, like heart rate sensors, pulse monitors, and many more. It is the detachable Bluetooth earpiece that makes this smart bracelet stand out among all its other competitors. After all, innovative products are always appreciated by everyone. So, if you want to own this super awesome bracelet, you can buy it for around $62 using the link given in the description box. Blinkers. Guys, if you or any of your family members use a bicycle as a medium of transport, then this next gadget is for you. As we all know, bicycles are not equipped with headlights or taillights. Neither do they have any indicators. The rider needs to manually signal other vehicles whenever he needs to take a turn or change his or her lane. If you face similar problems or know someone who does, then this gadget called Blinker is an absolute must-have. This gadget is basically a pair of front and rear lights for your bicycle which are detachable. These can be attached to your bicycle within a split second. These are completely wireless and can be controlled with a remote-controlled pad. The taillight constitutes of a sharp red light, whereas the headlight is made of bright white lights. These are not just your normal lights. You can even use them as indicator lights for when you wish to take a turn or pull the brakes. They also project a laser perimeter while you ride, which helps to maintain a safe distance on the road. These lights are USB rechargeable and have a magnetic attachment to make it easier for you to attach them anywhere on the bike. Sit-Go Seat. Imagine being stuck in a long queue waiting for your favorite ride at the amusement park. You have no other option but to wait for your turn, which might take longer than what you imagined. It's tiring even when you think about it, right? Not just this. There might be many more situations in life when you wish you could just grab a chair and sit.
Yeah.
But sadly, nothing would be available around at that moment. Well, innovative gadgets like the Sit-Go Seat can always come to your rescue during these times. This never-before-seen product is actually a portable chair. Its design takes inspiration from a telescope. This is a very easy-to-use gadget which can be folded and carried with you wherever you go. This simple gadget can transform into a chair for you in a matter of a few seconds. You can use it for your camping adventures, treks, music concerts, parks, and almost anywhere you want. Every time you wish you could sit, just take out this gadget, roll it out, and there you have your chair ready. Brookstone Rover. Next up, we have the Brookstone Rover. For those of you who don't know what Rovers are, they are super sturdy vehicles which can move on the roughest of terrains. And here we are with a mini Rover for all of you who like collecting adventurous toys. This Rover can move smoothly, not just on plain road, but it can also conquer uneven surfaces and tricky terrain due to its unique structure and specially designed wheels. This Rover also comes with a camera and some lights as well to add to the style quotient. You can connect it to your smartphone or tablet and use the official app to control its speed, lights, camera, and more. This gadget is a better option as compared to traditional remote control gadgets. It does take us some time to understand the working and functions of a traditional remote control gadget, but using controls via smartphones becomes much easier for us. This Rover's maximum wireless range is up to 150 feet, which is quite decent if you compare it with that of traditional remote control gadgets or drones. What makes the Rover even more special is its amphibian nature. Yes, along with a smooth ride on land, this gadget can swim in water as well. That's the reason it is designed to be completely waterproof. And like I had mentioned before, it has a high-resolution camera, which makes it possible for you to explore the underwater world using this cool gadget. So, basically, where most RC gadgets have their own limitations, this unique Rover has so many features packed in a single unit. Isn't that super awesome? Sphero Bolt. Our next gadget is called Sphero Bolt. All of us have played ball at some point in our lives. They're made of rubber, plastic, or even hybrid fabrics. But have you ever come across a ball that is actually a high-tech gadget? Sphero Bolt is just that. When you play with a regular ball, you need to run behind it to fetch it back. But instead of making you run, this ball will follow your instructions. Yes, you can control the ball's movement by connecting it to your smartphone. This means you get to decide where and how the ball would roll. It has a simple external design and a well-programmed circuit board inside, which makes all this magic possible. This superb gadget has a waterproof and shockproof body. After all, it's a ball. It will obviously fall and should be ready for shocks. However, none of this affects its internal circuit. The transparent body also shows you a screen on the inside, which can be used for interaction. Along with letting you manually control the path, it also allows you to set the path in advance. So this gadget is not just a toy, it's an intelligent, interactive pet, which is sure to keep you entertained. Otic Woohoo. This name might sound a little funny to you, but trust me, this gadget is super useful. Most of our homes have virtual voice assistants to make our daily lives easier, but Otic is a little different when it comes to its design and sound effects. This cool gadget is designed to look like a bird, and along with a standard female voice assistant, you can also get a few cool sound effects. A very important feature that Woohoo has is that it responds to your commands instantly. As soon as you finish your question, Woohoo will be ready with a response. You can ask Woohoo to give you the current time, or ask any random question you want, and it'll be ready with the response. You can even play your favorite music on this device, and perform many other tasks. You can connect all your smart devices, such as smart TV, smart speakers to Woohoo, and operate them remotely using voice commands too. Guys, if you haven't liked the video yet, please hit thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and set the notifications to all so that we can keep entertaining you. Guys, stay safe and have fun till I see you in the next video with some more amazing gadgets.